Hello, my dear little students. Good morning. I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. My dear students, in our previous class yesterday, we have done addition with forward counting and number line. I hope you all have enjoyed addition with number line. Yes, मैंने आप सबका होमवर्क देखा. बहुत अच्छा किया बेटा आप सबने. और जिसने नहीं सेंड किया मैम को, वो डेली बेसिस पे मैम को होमवर्क सेंड करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज क्लास. ब्रिंग आउट योर नोटबुक्स क्विकली. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट विल वी डू? We will write date and day on notebook. Yes, today is 29/6/2021 and day is Tuesday. 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 Done? Okay, today we will do addition with abacus. Addition with abacus. Write the topic on your notebooks. Now we will draw abacus here. Like this you have to draw, and here tens and ones. Tens and ones. You all have to write tens and ones on each and every abacus. Like this. And now we will do addition with abacus like this. Here is the sum: 12 plus 4. 14 plus 2. 23 plus 5. Okay. So see, here we have number 12 and 12 have 2 digits. This is 2-digit number. 2 is ones and 1 is tens. Yes, this is ones and this is tens. Here we have 2 lines. This is one side and this is tens side. So which number is placed on ones place, that will we make here as beads. We will show it. And which number is tens, we will make the beads here on tens side. 12 T means tens, so 1 is tens here. On one side we will make only one bead because here we have only one number. On one side here we have number 2. Yes, so we will make 2 beads here, 1 and 2. We have number 2 here on this side. At one's place we have make 2 beads. Yes, now this is 12, 1 and this side 2. This is only 12. Now we will add number 4 in it. 12 plus 4. 4 is only 1-digit number, means this is ones only. So we will make 4 beads on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have made 4 beads also. Now we will see how many are these. On 10 side here we have only one number, one bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6. So here we will write 6. 12 plus 4, 16. Understand? in next sum you will tell that how many beads we will make here on one side. Here we have number 14 and 2. Tens, ones, this is only ones. So on one side we will make 4 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2. And on 10th side only 1. Now how many are these? See, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 6, 16. 14 plus 2, 16. Next is 23 plus 5. Again here is 2-digit number and here is only 1-digit number. So we have only 2 tens. 1, 2. 3 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will count them. 1, 2, only 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So 23 plus 5, 28. Done? And understand? Very good. Do it fast. Done? Okay. We will do 3 more sums. Again draw 3 abacus and write tens ones in this box. (22 plus 12). 42 plus 4. 33 plus 6. Start करें. Okay, 22 plus 12. Here we have 2 numbers and both are 2-digit numbers now. Okay, 22. This is tens and this is ones. Tens, ones. In this number, tens and ones. Okay, here is 2 on 10 side. We will draw 2 beads here. 2 on one side. Here again we will draw 2 beads. Okay, 1 and 2. 1 on 10 side and 2 on 10 side. Done. Now we will see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Here on 10 side we have number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. On one's place we have number 4. So 22 plus 12 is 34. Understand? And easy na? Yes? I hope you all are enjoying this. Okay, next is 42 plus 4. 4 is tens and 2 is ones. Here is only 1-digit number 4. So this is only ones. 4. 1, 2, 3. On one side, here we have 2 numbers 2 and 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On one side here is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 42 plus 4 is 46. The next is 33 plus 6. Here on this side 1, 2, 3. We have to draw 3 circles only. And another side here we have 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3. Now we will draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on ones place. 1, 2, 3. 3 on tens place. So 33 plus 6, 39. Done. Now my dear students, bring out your books quickly. Here I have maths book with me. On page number 28, here are abacus sums and here are story based addition sums. Now we will do it. Okay. Open page number 28 of your book. Write the date on the page here. 29/6/2021. And now we will do these three sums on abacus. Okay, the first sum is 12 plus 5. Next is 16 plus 3. And last is 15 plus 1. Now we will do these three sums. You have to do in your book now. Okay. 12 plus 5. How we will make 12 on the abacus? 1 on this side on tens place and 2 on ones place. Now we will make 5 here on ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have only one digit number, it means it will be placed on ones place. It is only ones. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ones? 7. And how many tens you can see on your book now? Only 1. So 12 plus 5 is 17. Next is 16 plus 3. First of all, we will make 16 on abacus, 1 on tens place and 6 on ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again we will make 3 or more on ones place. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ones we have? 9. Yes, we will write 9 here and only 1 in this side on tens place. 16 plus 3, 19. Next is 15 plus 1. So first of all we will make 15. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 15 and we will add number 1 on ones place here like this. And now we have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on ones place and only 1 on tens place. 15 plus 1, 16. I hope you all have done. Okay, now here are addition stories. Addition stories. See, one example is given here. Akshay has 2 books. Akshay has 2 books. Ruchi has 1 book. Ruchi has 1 book. How many books do they have in all? In all means total books कितनी है? How many books they have both? उन दोनों के पास मिलाकर total books कितनी है? So we will add 2 books into 1 book, means 2 plus 1. This is a little story and we have to do addition with these 2 numbers. Okay. Okay, these are called story-based additions. Story-based addition. So one example is given here and it is also done. Akshay has 2 books. So number 2 will come on top. Ruchi has 1 book. Here at below the 2 we will write number 1. How many books they have in all? उनके पास total books कितनी है? तो see, we have done the addition 2 and 1, 3. 2 and 1, 3. So they have 3 books in all. उनके पास मिलाकर अब कितनी books है? 3. Now we will do this sum. There were 9 birds sitting on a branch of a tree. Tree की branch पर 9 birds हैं. 3 more birds came. 3 birds और आ जाते हैं वहां पर. How many birds are now sitting on the tree? अब tree पर कितने birds हैं? So how we will do it? Here the both numbers are written in the box. 9 birds. So here is 9 written. And after then 3 more birds came. So 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. How we will do it? We will keep 9 in mind and 3 on fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 and 3, 12. See here in your book, there are birds on the tree. Birds on the tree. Now you have to fill these boxes with the correct numbers. There are 9 plus 3 is equal to, we have 12 in answer. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 birds on the tree. Write it here in the book. Okay, the second sum is Nikunj has 7 crayons. Ramit has 11 crayons. How many crayons do they have in all? Now we have to do addition again. Nikunj has 7 crayons. So we will write 7 numbers on the top. And the next is Ramit has 11 crayons. 11. This is now 2-digit number. So we will write 1 here and 1 on this side. Tens and ones. Here the numbers are written in the box and you have to do the addition. How we will do it? 7 and 1, 8. 7 and 1, 8. Another side here is only 1. There is not any other digit. So we will write 1 here at the below. 7 and 1. 7 and 11 is equal to 18. They have crayons in all. They have 7 plus 11 is equal to 18 crayons in all. Like this you have to fill the boxes. 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. See, here is the third sum in your book. There are 10 red fish and 5 blue fish in an aquarium. How many fishes are there in the aquarium? This sum you have to do your own. Okay. This is your homework. Only this one sum you have to do. And after then send the pictures of your classwork and homework to me. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.